So, welcome to my new vlog. I realized my vlogs are kind of like being posted farther away than when they happen, just because I took a week off and then things just, I don't know. So I'm trying my best. But yeah, we're here shooting today. I'm shooting with another photographer, like a photographer who isn't Geek Strong today, which hasn't really happened in a while. But I figure it's time, as long as everyone's vaccinated, it's all okay. So yeah, I was switching it up today and shooting some Kim Possible just for fun, because I haven't really shot her in a while. And Steven is here to help me film. What are you doing? Hi.
I'm ready for my close-up.
He's here to help me film, and also because safety, because I'm shooting with someone who is not Geek Strong. Are you gonna beat him up if he is weird?
I might run away. I'm not strong.
Pro tip, if you're getting into cosplay, never go to a shoot with a photographer you don't really know alone, especially if you are in the middle of nowhere.
And also bring a stronger friend than me.
I have shot with Billo before at cons, but I've never shot with him outside of a con, so I just wanted to bring someone. And yeah, we're gonna try and shoot some TikToks and other content and stuff too. Plus, hopefully we'll have some shoot content that isn't just time lapses. We're gonna see how, this is Steven's test run for vlogging. I need my gloves. This is Steven's, that's not filming anything. So far, he's not doing very well.
I think I'm doing a good job.
My wig hurts. And it's hot.
Take two.
It's not going to sound the same.
And we know how we know how you like backlight. It's your line. That's your line.
Is that my line? Sorry.
Yeah.
Because baby likes backlight.
No, baby got cut.
Yeah, get ready to look into the sun. Not really.
I'm not going to be able to use that.
Alright, stand here. You just have to hire better help.
Wait, was I getting paid? Oh.
Well, hiring in the sense of the word. Yeah, exactly.
And I bought you a smoothie.
Oh no, Ron! You were too late.
I was like gonna get down on my knees, and then I was like, wait.
Yeah, I'm not. Wow, what a beautiful day to not drop phones, am I right? So glad that nobody dropped a phone today. She's gonna kill me later.
Sing for me, sweet lullaby.
Come this way, Danielle. I'll see if we can get you over here in the final few minutes of sun.
What's that? Good night. Sleep tight.
Oh my god, my hair is insane. So that's a wrap on the shoot. We'll get some pictures back soon, and hopefully, I have no idea what's going to be like on this camera and on my phone that he filmed. Like, I'm a little bit scared, but hopefully there's something good. If not, you'll see the final pictures, I guess. This is a great location though. If you guys are tired of the park that Keek Strong and I always shoot at, it's a much different location. We're at the Sepulveda Basin. I've done like one like little shoot here, like years and years and like literally like 4 years ago, but I haven't shot here since I was totally just fell. Casual. I'm just glad that it's not so hot out anymore, that the sun's going down, because I was dying a little bit, but I cannot wait to take this wig off. It is so painful. I had to take off the wig.
Is your hair pink?
Yes, it is.
Most of it.
Pink and blonde.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Isn't it beautiful?
The real hair.
I actually really like your hair.
Thank you.
A rare compliment.
Yeah, you should compliment me more.
I compliment you all the time. You're
Tell me I'm pretty!
You are pretty, I tell you all the time. You're the one that bullies me.
What was the line from Fairly Odd Parents where she's like, was it like...
Tell me I'm pretty.
No, but she's saying something and tell me I'm pretty. Like,
Feed me and tell me I'm pretty.
Yeah.
My favorite part of that episode is just like when they're in the cars and she honks the horn and the horn is just like, tell me I'm pretty, tell me I'm pretty. And then Timmy's just like, you're pretty, you're pretty.
Good morning. Yeah, I'm tired. This morning I literally have had to drive all the way to Pasadena. I mean, I had to wake up at 7 a.m., which, okay, is not that early, but it's early for me because I'm not like a morning person at all. But yeah, I'm going to go meet with this guy at this store, which is the most vague thing ever, but like I don't want to give details about anything till I know it's happening or not. But yeah, there's like, I guess, an event or something that he's having at his store, and he might want me to cosplay at it or something. I don't know. I'm gonna go talk to him about it. I'm a little bit concerned because I want to know like what safety precautions they're taking for COVID and stuff. Like if it's like an event, you know, like I don't know, like I just want to find out. And so yeah, I agreed to go meet with him, but because I've been working so much this week, this was like literally the only time I could do it because I still have work today at 11 and I'm meeting with him at 9 and like Pasadena and traffic and all that. So yeah, it's been a morning, but yeah, gonna go meet with him and then hopefully miss traffic and be able to get to work on time. If not, then my job will have to understand because they booked me for 4 days. Or not booked me, scheduled me for 4 days this week, which is annoying. It's really not that bad. Most people work 5 days a week. I'm just being complainy. Hi, editing Daniela here, and wow, oh wow, did I fail at vlogging this entire week. So basically I went after that meeting and I got my hair re-dyed with the same stylist who dyed it before. So we just got my pink touched up. We didn't do a cut or anything because next week in my next vlog, you'll see this kind of fun haircut class thing that we did. But yeah, here's some footage that I did take of us dyeing my hair back to pink. I'm really happy with how it looked. I love the bright pink. I was getting a lot of compliments on like the pink and yellow, but I really want pink hair, so I was really happy to have pink hair again. So we redid my hair last night, and unfortunately I have to wear a wig today. So even though it is perfect and looks amazing, no one can see it. But yeah, I'm going to this event that I talked about a little bit before, where I had that meeting with those guys. And yeah, they're having this like event at their store and they hired me to be there. I'm not sure what I'm doing there. I'm also not sure if I'm gonna vlog it. I might just do like some phone vlogging. I'm literally on my phone right now. So like, yeah, just like maybe on my phone. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera. But yeah, I literally have no idea what I'm gonna be doing at this event. So we'll see. Was it Shards of Infinity?
Yeah.
That name sounds fake. It sounds like
it sounds like a fake game that you would see.
Dunshire.
It sounds like one of those fake games that you see the characters in a TV show play.
Yeah, that's like Cones of Dunshire.
Yeah.
Which is from Parks and Rec.
Yeah.
But it's actually fun.
Yeah.
Like, I like it.
Sure.
What?
You know it's on video, right?
Yeah, I said I just said I haven't filmed enough here. I should film more. Put the wig back on. That's all I have to say.
I got Digimon cards.